Alright, so if you don't remember how to do squats, go back to the squat tutorial. Look at the dumbbell squats, different kinds of squats. I'm going to go through really quick here just to explain it to you what this exercise is. So, hip, knee, ankle lined up. Feet are straight. Shoulders are back and down. Now, come stick your butt out as far as you can and hit that squat. Don't let the knee pass the toe. We're going to hit a jump squat. So I want your hands out. Okay, hold it nice and tight. I want you to come down to where you're comfortable and then jump. Drive with those heels, then get in those toes and get up there. So keep your head looking up, chest up. Go ahead, come down, and then jump and push up hard. Breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way up. So you're going to hit the rep, pause, get right back into the squat, and jump as hard as you can and go for it.